Wait, okay. So we actually caught this giant bullfrog tadpole. Usually, they actually hatch this big. So if you see this, look at that tadpole. We caught smaller ones than this. They're about this small, but we caught some that are this big. And we caught some that are usually this big, but we caught this one, and it's much bigger than our pet ones. So, if you see that, look at that. Look at that mouth. That's used for eating algae. And there's like algae rocks, so it would be fine with me. But tadpoles eat like one time more than their whole body. So why don't you just catching some algae for this tadpole? I got some algae for this guy. So here, I'll just get some of this. I'll get this. So I'm just going over. You see him using some branches and just take some of this algae up. He can like eat this. He has algae rocks in there, so he'll be fine with eating once we get him home. But I need water, but I'm just going to literally. Then I caught that one, so usually they stick in so when you usually catch these guys, you don't really catch them that often, but we caught like another one